Hey, so today we're going to be cooking beans. It's a mixture of beans, peas, and lentils and other things in there. This is from Bulk Barn. As you can see, we used our container. Yeah, it's plastic that, we're not throwing away old plastic Tupperware because we can reuse it. And yeah. So next thing we have here is I poured a few cups of the beans into, well, this is our makeshift bowl for now, but yeah, we're just soaking it. It's supposed to soak for 1 hour. Okay, so this potato might look kind of nasty, but we accidentally left it out after, only using half of it, because I was just using it when I was cooking just for myself. So yeah, we're just, we don't have to throw out the whole thing. We can just cut out what has gone bad. So as you can see, we cut out the bad part and it looks like a brand new potato. Inside is still good. So yeah, if you ever have any like molding vegetables or fruits, just cut out the bad parts. You can still eat the rest of it. So you can reduce food waste that way.
Hey guys, it's me, John, your second favorite person that runs this YouTube channel. I mean, yes, technically there are only the two of us, but I mean, I'm still right? Oh, wow, we are off to a good start. So anyways, here is me doing the voiceover for the rest of this video. Elizabeth will chime in as well in the end. And we're doing this because the audio quality wasn't the best when we were recording this. And instead of letting the footage, get deleted or go to waste, because we're zero waste, wink wink nudge nudge, we wanted to just talk over it so that you guys can hear our insights, we could tell you stories, and we could just let you know what's going on in this video. And yeah, so here we go. Here's us cutting the potatoes. You can see we're kind of struggling a little bit. It's not our fault, trust me. The knife is very dull. We don't know why. I forgot where I got this knife from, but it's not the greatest for cutting stuff. Actually, for the celery here, it's not bad. It's not bad when you're cutting vegetables. But yeah, it was tough cutting those potatoes. I will probably invest in a better knife sometime later. But hey, we gotta use what we already have, and that's why we're using the knives, or this knife in particular. So yeah, Elizabeth, she's going to later give a little bit of her story on why she wants to be more of a vegetarian and a vegan. This meal we're cooking, there's no meat, and it's a little bit healthy, as you can see. Here's us now putting the potatoes into the frying pan. Chop, chop, yeah, put. So I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what to really commentate about. And there we go, putting the potatoes into the frying pan. And here's the soy sauce going. Ooh, you know what? I like the smoke. I like the smoke that is coming out when we cook. And then I believe we're going to be, yeah, there we go. And then here we adjust the temperature so that it's not too hot. We don't want to burn it. But yeah, that's all the time we have for me. Elizabeth will finish off this video. Go ahead, Elizabeth, take it away.
Okay, hi humans. Yeah, John forgot to mention that the soy sauce bottle, he already bought previously, so we're just gonna reuse it and refill it with soy sauce from those like big cans of soy sauce from Asian supermarkets. So yeah, I also wanted to explain to you my diet situation, I guess. 5 out of the 7 days I'm living at home with my family, and I try to reduce my meat intake. So I'm eating plant-based meals 2 out of the 3 times during the day, and I'm doing this because I'm not allowed to go vegan because I don't pay for groceries, which is understandable. But yeah, the plan is to go, once I move out, to go vegetarian and then go vegan, and just trying to do my best to reduce how much meat I'm eating. And yeah, the reason why I want to do that is because I know that the meat industry produces a lot of greenhouse gases, which is obviously enhances climate change. And specifically, according to journal of nature, they found that the production of animal products generates up to 78% of total agricultural emissions. So yes, that's a big amount. And yeah, I think that we should all try to reduce how much meat we're eating, and the same with waste as well, you know. I think we all can do the best we can. And yeah, so, and on the weekends, I see John, and we've both agreed to, you know, like cut out meat during the weekends. So yeah, it's definitely a first step, and I'm really glad that he wanted to, because he loves meat. And yeah, I'm really thankful that he was on board. So yeah, this is why we're doing this video, and we're trying to cook up more vegan recipes. And so if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments, or DM me at ZeroWasteCutie on Instagram. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.